I'm GERA Bureau Chief of the Voice of Chandigarh and the Voice of Canada. With me is Ravindran. He is the Regional Manager, India and Bangladesh, Sri Lankan Airlines. Welcome to the Voice of Chandigarh, Mr. Ravindran.
Thank you.
How is your experience about holding this presentation in Chandigarh?
Well, it was a very good event and we are having this one after 5 years of time. So I can see the enthusiasm of the agents, participation, and people have enjoyed and we have entertained and we have recognized the agents. So all in all, this was a wonderful and very successful.
That's really great. Let me know, the logo is very interesting. Or the language is very interesting. Taking Sri Lankan warmth to the world. What do you mean by this?
Because Sri Lankan people are by nature hospitable. So the hospitality comes from the warmth. So Sri Lankan Airlines flying almost 100 destinations with the codeshare partners. So that is the slogan that we are taking our hospitality. That is the warmth to the world.
He is taking the slogan of the hospitality, taking the warmth to the world. This is very interesting indeed. I am impressed about this slogan also. My next question is, you are operating so many flights from different places in India and so many persons want over here. When you are going to start from Chandigarh?
Well, we are operating 86 flights of India out of 9 destinations.
Right.
And most of the places we are daily or sometimes double daily, and some places it's a little less than triple daily. If you just ask me, not only Chandigarh, we have so many potential destinations in our road plan. For example, we used to operate to Calcutta. Due to COVID, we had to discontinue. So Calcutta is one of the places. And we were planning to operate to Ahmedabad, which was the pre-COVID, that was one of the destinations we were planning to operate. And Lucknow, for that matter, is also one of the potential destinations. And Chandigarh, and if you just ask me that, I don't think that, it's going to be a difficult task. Even if you operate, we can get a lot of numbers to Sri Lanka and, the places where these people want to go. So if you just ask me, we don't have a timeline because operating to a new destinations needs at
I
least,
understand.
yeah.
I understand. Everyone knows that Sri Lanka was undergoing the financial crisis during last year or after that previous year also. I want to know from Ravindran how the situation is going to recover now about the financial crisis in Sri Lanka.
Well, Sri Lanka government has already taken initiatives with dialogues with IMF just to restructure loans. And also we are promoting more tourism to Sri Lanka. By that, we are trying to bring a lot of foreign currencies or foreign exchange to Sri Lanka. And also we are encouraging the people who are working overseas in Sri Lanka just to repatriate their money through the recognized money changers and the recognized banks. Those are the main activities.
That's really, you have highlighted so many good things to recover the economy. But my last question would be, how Sri Lankan Airlines is going to contribute for recovery of the economy of the nation?
Okay, it made my answer easier because Sri Lankan Airlines is the national carrier of Sri Lanka. And we are the main carrier operating out of Sri Lanka. And if any tourist wants to come to Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan Airlines is the first option. For example, in India, we are operating, I told you per week, 87 flights, 9 destinations. So
right.
If anybody wants to come to Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan Airlines is the first choice. So Sri Lankan Airlines will contribute to the tourism industry and the economy of Sri Lanka.
Thank you so much, Ravindran, talking to the Voice of Chandigarh and the Voice of Canada.
It's a very